Hello guys, myself Dr. Saurabh Agrawal from Urizone. So today we have Dr. Kanishka and she will going to introduce herself and will tell you about her experience in Germany.
Okay. Hi, my name is Dr. Kanishka. I'm basically from Uttarakhand. I did my bachelor's, like BDS, from Uttaranchal only, 2014 to 2018 batch. And after that, I decided to come to Germany. And after researching a lot on YouTube and Google, I saw the Urizone website, and I wanted to ask some things, and Dr. Saurabh was very kind enough to answer each and every question. And the experience was absolutely smooth. I just gave my documents to him, and he was kind enough to guide me through every step. And it's been 2 months since I'm here. I did my B2 here, and soon I'll be starting my FSP classes.
So how is the overall experience here in Germany?
It's nice. It's very nice. I found a lot of Indian people, and apart from Indian people, the German people are also very nice. They're very kind enough. So there's always this thing that the Germans are a little rude or things like that. That's all.
So you have not faced any kind of racism or nothing?
Not at all. Not at all.
They are all friendly with you?
Everybody was very sweet.
Okay.
And when we start speaking in German also, and when we are interacting with it, they're very kind enough and motivating enough to help us. And like, yeah, you're speaking nice. And go ahead like that.
Nice. So you will be writing your Fachsprachprüfung very soon,
very
right?
soon.
Okay.
Yes.
So we will going to again connect with you once you clear your Fachsprachprüfung and eventually then Kenntnisprüfung.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, so we have Dr. Saeed here. So
Hello,
how is
everyone.
your experience in Germany and from where you are?
So let me start with from where I am. I'm from Bombay, Maharashtra, India, and I came to Germany last year in 2024 October. And the journey was quite smooth, but it took some time for all the processing and thing. But I think that's quite natural. Yeah, and I started with my language course. It's a good place to be at, and I highly recommend that place. Like when you get into Germany, that's the first place one can be to feel like home. The environment is too good. The teachers are super friendly, and yeah, it was a good thing.
Did you face any kind of problem here or in terms of the process from the entire process starting from India with the Urizone or with any documentation or visa?
Okay, so that's a tricky question, but yeah, the problem was only with the timeline. Apart from that, everything was smooth. I think when you decide to come to Germany, you should have this thing in your mindset that yeah, things will take time because their processing time is different compared to what we have in India.
Yeah.
They process normally like everything in minimum of 4 to 8 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
So apart from that, yeah, documentation thing was smooth. Yeah, it was good. And Urizone was also quite helpful in that. Like in my case, to be very specific, I was quite late on myself. Like I completed my B1 a bit later, but even then we were able to get the deficient Bescheid, and yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, Urizone was quite helpful in that. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much and good luck for your
Thank you.
FSP exam.
Yeah, and I would like to take this opportunity and highly recommend Urizone.
Okay, so we will going to share his experience once he cleared his FSP exam.
yeah.
So his exam is on
October last week, yeah.
and we will going to share his experience to you so that you can have a idea that how the experience will be of FSP exam in Germany. Okay, so thank you very much. Hello, myself Dr. Saurabh from Urizone, and today we have candidates here from Urizone. They will going to share their experience in Germany so far, and they will introduce themselves. Okay, so Dr. Anushri,
Yeah, hi. I am Dr. Anushri from Karnataka.
how is your overall experience in Germany, and since how long you've been here?
I came on March 28th this year, and I've been here since 5 months almost, and it was really a good experience for me because at first I didn't know anybody, but now it's like I've known this place for a long time. I'm feeling really good. It's really a good feeling.
Nice. So what you're doing currently?
I did my C2 as soon as I came, and then I have started with FSP, and I'm almost going to end the FSP. It's in 6 weeks, and then I'll be writing the FSP exam.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Great. So best of luck for your FSP exam.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So, Dr. Sumuk,
Hello.
how is your experience in Germany?
Yeah.
And is it good to be here or something different?
Yeah. Since 3 months, I'm in Germany. Sometimes I miss Indian food. Other than that, yeah, nothing. But I have learned cooking, so now
Okay.
it's not that.
So, you like beer? German
No,
beer?
No.
You don't like German beer? We have 300 types of German beer in Germany. You don't like any one of them?
Yeah, I like, but not in public.
Not in public, okay. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So you're from
I'm from Karnataka.
Karnataka and your qualification?
I have done my BDS in 2021. I have completed my BDS.
From
in
which
2021.
college?
Krishna Devaraya College of Print and
Okay.
Science. And then I had done my fellowship in endodontics in Savita Dental College. So for 1 year.
Mhm.
So after that, yeah,
You came to
Eurozone
Germany.
started. And, yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay. Yeah, so Dr. Elsa, how's your
Hi.
experience in Germany?
No, I haven't. I have been here like just for 3 months, and I have just started my experience with Germany. So currently, I have completed my C1, and I am doing my starting to do my FST maybe in November.
Okay, nice. Okay, thank you. Yeah, Dr. Nandu. Yeah, he's from Kerala.
Yeah, Kerala.
So please share your experience. How's your experience so far here in Germany?
Yeah, it's my 3rd month in Germany, and I find the place really good. I have completed my base Y, B2,
Okay.
and I'm waiting for my FSP to start. Yeah, fingers crossed.
Okay, thank you so much. Dr. Dhwani,
Hello, sir.
yeah, you are from?
I am from Gujarat.
And from where you have done your BDS?
I have done from Dharamsi Desai University in Gujarat, and I
Okay.
completed in 22, and then I came to Germany in 24.
Since long you are here? Since how long?
All for almost a year now.
Almost a year. Okay,
Yeah.
so how is your experience so far here in Germany?
Yeah,
With everything, like the environment, people, classes, and everything.
like initially it is very confusing, but Eurozone was always there to help us. So then now it is somewhat better. So yeah, overall I would say it is a good experience.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. So, Dr. Danica, now how's your experience in Germany?
My experience in Germany has been pretty good. I've been here for the last almost 8 months. Had some of the best time of my life here, so it's been
So
a
you're
good
from?
experience. I moved here from Oman.
Okay,
Yeah.
but basically you're from which place?
I
From
would
India?
say Bombay. Like my family is a mix, so yeah. But Bombay.
Okay, so what is the best thing you like it here in Germany, which is you can compare with things in Oman, from Oman?
I would just say that people know when to slow down and take life, like enjoy the small moments in life.
Okay,
So that's something like the work-life balance. I would say is a good thing. Yeah.
nice. And what about the environment?
It's been pretty good. I came here in Jan, so it was quite cold. I adjusted pretty well to that as well. The summer has been great. Yeah, so yeah, the environment's also good.
Okay, nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
So, Dr. Paloma,
Hello,
hello. From where you are?
I'm from Jalandhar, Punjab.
Okay, and when you came here to Germany?
It's gonna be a year in December now.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, nice. So, from where you have done your graduation?
I did it from Hojia Dental College from Himachal Pradesh,
Okay,
and I graduated in 2020. And then I worked in India for a while, and then I came here last year in December.
okay, nice.
Yeah.
So, overall, your experience is quite good here in Germany.
Yeah, I have been to Germany a couple of times before, so it wasn't a big cultural shock to me, but I'm living alone here for the first time, so it has been a challenge with all the documents and everything. But yeah, Eurozone has always been there and to help me and everything, and yeah, it has been good. But the weather is a challenge for me. I don't like the weather here.
Okay, okay, fine. So, hello, Dr. Sujit.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm good. Good enough.
So, how is your experience and everything here in Germany?
Yeah, my experience is quite good. I'm here in Germany since last 6 months, not more than that. But initially, it was a bit disturbing because I have a practice there back in India, and coming here and starting the studies again after so many long years.
Mm-hmm.
So it was a bit like how I'm going to start it, how I'm going to do this, But I have never had any kind of other problem with the German people also. Whosoever I met, they were helping. Everybody was good enough. And whenever I have a problem, I always call Dr. Saurabh at any time. I don't see the time or day or whatever, but I call him immediately. Sir, I have this problem, and he is always there to help me out. Yes.
Okay, so your son is also here with you here in Germany?
Yeah. My son is also here in Germany, and he's starting with his university from October. We both are here, so it's comfortable and good for me. So we keep
you're
on
from
meeting
which
soon.
part of India?
I'm from Jalandhar.
Okay, and
Yeah.
you have moved after how much of experience from India?
I have more than 20 years of experience as a dentist in India. I passed my BDS in 2002, and now, yes, this is a big
Because-
question. Everybody asks me, why you here in Germany
Exactly,
after
because
this
many
much?
people they ask there is any age limit to move to Germany, or you can move whenever you are ready for Germany.
Yeah. This was a question asked to me by an immigration officer in Delhi also. So at that time, my answer is always there's no age for learning and no age for learning something new. And yes, definitely I'm here to explore a new place, do something new, and definitely I'm here to learn something new. I'm starting a new language at this time of my life, and it's a good experience. Yes.
Okay, so I give you my best wishes,
Thank you.
and when you have your Fachsprachprüfung and then eventually Kenntnisprüfung, so you
Yes.
can able to clear it in the first attempt.
Yes. Hope for very, very
Okay,
best.
so thank
Yeah.
you so much.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you.